But if you do it for God, it's unstoppable. Who are you doing it for? The person you're doing it for is super important. If you do it for the money, people are going to smell it. If you do it for people, at one point, you'll get drained. If you do it for yourself, people might say you are selfish. But if you do it for God, it's unstoppable. The lesson of the day. Today, I would like to teach you some words in Swahili language. Be with me. Niko hapa. Niko hapa. Tuko hapa. Tuko hapa. Niko na wewe. Niko na wewe. Tuko pamoja. Tuko pamoja. Tuko pamoja. Tuko pamoja. Twende. Twende. Tuendelee. Tuendelee. Songa. Songa. Songa mbele. Songa mbele. Tusonge mbele. Tusonge mbele. Tunasonga mbele. Tunasonga mbele. Haturudi nyuma. Haturudi nyuma. Haturudi. Haturudi. That is it for today. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Every day you're getting better and better. Kila siku unaongeza makali yako ya lugha ya Kiswahili. Thank you so much. Bye.